What's up, everybody? This is Moto-13. So yeah, we're just out here at the sand pit. We're scurrying around, as you can see, doing a little bit of a photo shoot. That's the Thor Rush. You guys can look him up on YouTube. That's Graham. He doesn't have a YouTube, sadly.
What?
You don't have a YouTube, and say hi to my viewers.
Oh.
See, this is the type of people I'm friends with. They won't even say hi to my viewers. Saddening, just pure saddening. Let's see. Okay. Get the focus in. Recording. So yeah, we're just out here scurrying around with cameras and all that, and having fun. Pretty much, just three friends hanging out. That's pretty much what we ride for, hanging out, right? And as it be, I'm the one with the GoPro and mic. Devin has a GoPro for his helmet too, but he doesn't have a mic like I do. Yeah, this I don't know if you did I cut it out? No, I have it in the thing. Oh, that was a nice jump for 125. We're just scurrying around, having fun. Yeah, no, I think you guys saw this place for a bit in my last video, my first moto-vlog. Yeah, I think I did. So I came in through a different entrance and all that, so let's see if we can actually even jump. Oh, damn. That was okay, I guess. I have no clue how to vlog this, but yeah, we're just jumping around, having fun, fooling around, having fun. Yeah. See, I don't know. I haven't really seen many people jump WRs, to be honest. Most people just ride up on the street. Oh, that was a shitty jump. Shitty jump. That jump is comparable to a bunny hopping up and down. Yeah, no, that was just shitty. Let's do this. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's really muddy though, so it's kind of hard. Like, when it's dry, we can do some pretty nice jumps off this thing. And I mean, pretty nice. But since it's so wet, I don't know though, because I don't like this spot though, because if you have to go down that hill, there's that log and you're gonna fucking bail on that. Yeah.
Oh,
It's okay, don't worry. It's okay, I guess. Yeah, it's recording already, so. Yeah, it's okay, I guess. So yeah, there's my beautiful little girl. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna do a bike. Oh shit, my bike was on the whole time. Oh Jesus, that's not good. But no, I'll make a video about my bike later, but not right now. I don't feel like doing that. Jesus Christ, you're a heavy girl. Oh, that was okay. And again, I'm not gonna get it any better anyway, so it's not that. Yeah.
Are you gonna record again?
I'm already recording.
Oh.
Yeah. That's the one thing I love about the WR. It's so torquey. Oh jeez, I went through the wrong spot. Jeez, where the hell am I supposed to go through here to actually get that jump? Jeez, these are horrible. Yeah, I'm not that good at jumping. I like learn how to jump my bike properly or preload it. not too long ago, like, I don't know, it has to be like a month from now, yeah, a month before this date, I learned how to payload and all that, so please don't judge, I'm horrible at it, I know, and plus, keep in mind, this isn't a YZ250, it's a WR, it's a dual sport, this thing wasn't meant to be jumped, it's meant to cruise around town. Jeez, these are horrible. I don't like that spot. That spot's shitty. That's a really shitty spot. Yeah, no, but you know, I tried riding this bike like a motocross. It's impossible. Trust me, it's impossible. That's not impossible because there are videos of people taking them on. Oh yeah, I can do that jump, no problem. I'm gonna go back and reset my camera after this one. It's weird because it's so slippy too. So, I mean slippery, not slippy. See, that's the immigrant talking at me. Jeez. Can I reach? Oh, it was the guy all over again. With his girlfriend, of course. You know, gotta... Exactly, with his awesome little Mazda. My little Mazda. If you get me wet, I'm gonna like fucking kill you. Okay, he was concerned about that. Hey guys, yeah, trucker guys are back. Yeah, I don't care anymore. Screw them. Yeah. Jeez. Where the fuck did Graham go? Yeah, there he is. The little swagger. Oh god, I love the sound of my bike. It's so amazing. Yeah, no, yeah, this is probably isn't gonna make for a good vlog, so I may not even use it. Graham. So, you know, I don't mind trucker guys because, you know, I like trucks, they're nice. But when they fuck things up, it's just, no. So I guess we're gonna take turns now on things. Honestly, like completely hogs this spot. Is he like gonna jump his truck off it? No. No, don't fuck it up. No. You and your Dodge Dakota. No. Why you do this? No, I can't jump. I don't want to like run into their trucks though, that's the thing. Because it's pretty slippy, so I can't really brake very well. So yeah, this is a terrible vlog. Yeah, you know what? Comment on my videos on topics because honestly, I can't think of one right now. Other than if I talk about my bike. Oh geez, almost bailed there. Dodge that tree. I'm gonna do around in the mud pit. Yeah, around in the mud pit. Oh geez, almost fell there. And I'm not the most experienced rider either. What? These trucker guys, I don't know what to think. Whee! No! There's no keys to turn on your bike. Yeah, no. That's what sucks about his bike. There's no key to shut him off. It's kind of sad because I can't prank him. So yeah, guys, we kind of screwed around in trail and mud pit. That's the word. Now we're gonna go hit some trails with Graham. Oh, then still films over here. Yeah, we're still trying to figure out this whole camera setup thing. This is the first time we actually brought our cameras, and it. So yeah, like GoPro is different because GoPro. Good job.
That's the second time I've done that.
I'm so glad I got that on camera. Yeah, it's, you know, that's the one thing about dirt bikes. If you wouldn't fall, it wouldn't be fun. That's the whole point. If you fall, that's the fun part because it doesn't really hurt most of the time unless you're like some people who.
I just died.
It's okay, Graham. I've done that like 5 times on my bike. So.
No, but I was like sideways.
I know. Good job. I got it on film. You're gonna see it on YouTube. He just called me a jerk. Yeah, no. Yeah, this is pretty much the things we do. We just like fool around. It's fun. That's what dirt biking is about, right? Just fooling around, exploring, and yeah, we're just going around through here. Yeah, you guys have already seen me go through these trails, so that's the one thing that's gonna suck about my channel. Until I get my motorcycle license, I won't be able to vlog in many places. It's gonna be sandpit, there's the farm, I know, and there's other trails. That's all. Unless, you know, we go to different areas like Chilliwack, Popcom, racetracks and all that, then yeah, I'll vlog there, but you're not gonna see much variety in my videos, which is gonna suck. But hang in there, it's only 5 months left, and then after it'll be true freedom. Yeah, it's actually lighter now, so it's kind of better to vlog through here. I can see things. It's not like complete utter death. Yeah. See, I don't know which is better, standing up on a bike or sitting down through these trails because it's really slippery. I mean, it's really slippery. Like, I think. See, this is easy on that small little TTR 125 because it's small. It's not torquey as hell, and you have power. I mean, you have just the right amount of power where I have way too much power. Yeah, there we go. And I mean, like, way too much power. And this thing is really heavy, like I've said before. Yeah. And you guys may have misunderstood something in my last video when I said I don't recommend this bike. I recommend it highly. It is an amazing motorcycle, and you can go anywhere with it. I mean, like, anywhere. True, it isn't like a race enduro bike. It's not a sport bike. It's not a tourer. But I think dual sports are like the best kind of motorcycle. You can explore and go wherever the hell you want. Jesus. So we're going in the sand again. It's so weird in the sand. I don't know what to ship. Yeah, no, yeah. This moto-vlogg isn't gonna be the best, but you know, you guys will hopefully stay subscribed to me. If not, I understand. Don't worry, you know, I'm not the best vlogger in the world. Alright, and 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Oh, he went beside it. So yeah, back to vlogging and all that. Yeah, I won't have much variety in my videos. I'll let them pass. Yeah, variety and all. What do these guys have? RC cars. Wicked. Yeah, swag. That's awesome. That's a Triumph Tiger. Pretty good adventure touring bikes. Oh yeah, little whoop-de-doos, or what are they called? Whoops, whoop-de-doos, whoopsies. Yeah, it's a little 50, I think, over there. You won't see it on the camera because, you know, fisheye lens. But oh geez, there's like a whole family there. Jesus. Damn. Oh, they want. Oh, the kid crashed. Oh, sad face. Okay, let's do this. Whew. Oh, that wasn't that bad. Let's see, what can I do? What can I do? Yeah, I feel like doing a wheelie, or trying to do one. By the way, I don't know how to do wheelies. Second gear, go up to 30. No, I can't wheelie. That's final. Oh, they wrecked this spot too. Damn. I used to like riding in this area. There's nothing left. They wrecked my jump too. There was a nice jump over here. And it's gone. It's dead. Yeah, this place, you know, I give it a year or two, this whole place is gonna be, what is it, storage facilities. Nothing more, nothing less. Which I think is a shame, because this is like the only place in the area where you can go dirt biking and not worry about dickhead police. Jeez, come on baby, you can do it. Yeah. Yeah, let's see, is there anyone coming up? Nope, let's go. Second. Yeah, it's kind of sad, but it's true. This whole place is going to be going in a year or two. Okay, I'm going to go slow by this guy. Got some speed in here. 110! 100, yeah! Woohoo! Yeah, that was fun. That was really fun. But there's nothing to do over here anymore, so why the fuck did I come down here? Oh, damn. This is sad. Like, this whole place was like a marsh over here, and there's nothing left. Kind of tragic to think about it. It was a nice ecosystem, too. Like, there weren't any, like, big animals, but, you know, there are a decent amount of animals here. Excuse me. Sorry about that, guys. Something went on my throat. Some guy did a burnout.